You know what? It's good to know that we can talk to Jesus anytime we want. Happy or sad, I can talk to you. Good or bad, I can talk to you. You listen to me, Heavenly Father, I can talk to you. I'll sing you a song, I can talk to you. Forgive all the wrong I have done to you. You listen to me, Heavenly Father, I can talk to you. We can pray every day, no matter where we are, with friends or alone, even at home. Our words must come from our heart.